Hey guys, let's talk about new problem in graph, and which is called course schedule 1 and 2. So in course schedule 1 you would be given some ages like 1 to 2 or 3 to 4 or 2 to 4. Okay, and the meaning of this is 1 is the course number, 2 is the course number, 4 is the course number, 3 is course number, and they are indicating that you can take course 2 once you completed course 1. Okay, you can take course 4 once you completed course 3, you can take course 4 once you completed course 2. So you need to tell them whether it is possible or not. Okay, this order. And in course schedule 2, what do, you just return the order. So for example, he's saying that you can complete course 2 once I complete course 1. It means that 2 will come after 1, right? Then it is saying you can complete course 4 once you complete course 3. So means 4 will come after 3, right? Now he is saying you can complete course 2 after course 4 after course 2. So it means 2 will come first and then 4 will come first. So you can say the order will be something like this, right? So this one you need to return in course schedule 2, and in course schedule 1 you just need to return true or false. So how you will do? Simple. You just run topological sort. That's it. Okay, because in topological sort for two vertices u and v, okay, u will point to v one if u comes before v. That is the rule, right? So that the same thing we are doing here, correct? So now here if you check the what is this? Just 2 minutes. Okay, here if you check the this thing, this one is not just right. Let's say like this only. So what they are doing, find order, you will be getting number of courses. Okay, you will be getting number of courses, and then your prerequisites array, 2D array, which will give 1 to 2, 3 to 4, like that, 2D array. And then you will create one graph, and in graph list of integer, list of integer. Okay, and then means one array list, and then means you will be creating adjacency list using 2D array, and then you will be creating one in degree array. Okay, first you will from I equal to 0 to number of courses, you will add this array list, you will create a memory. Okay, and then after that using that 2D array you will create a graph and also add its in degree as well. Okay, means adjacency list, and then it's in degree as well. Then you will take a queue, and you will put all the vertices whose in degree is 0, okay, into the queue. Then after that you just create one result array, okay, and index equal to 0, and then you will run a while condition. Okay, you will run a while condition until queue is not empty, and in that what you will do, let me see this. Okay, now this is correct. Okay, so here what you will do, you will create a result, and then you will run this while condition until your you process all the queue elements. Okay, so what you will do, you will take one element from queue, and you will check you will add that into the result, and then you will check all its adjacent nodes, and you will decrement its in degree. Okay, and if in degree becomes 0, so you will add that into the queue. And at the end, if your index, means number of elements you have stored in the array, okay, is equal to number of courses, then you will return result, means this is true. Okay, means course schedule 1 is completed, and then it will result the result. Okay, otherwise it will return new integer array 0. So I have explained so many times this topological sort in my earlier videos. Please go through that. Okay, I would recommend, and then you will be understanding the problem better, solution better. Thank you.